So I told you that the rose ladies that make me very frightened, when they find something that works, they stick with it. Guys, this is an organic pelletized fertilizer. You see, it's pellets, and its base is composted chicken manure, but in it, it has got nitrogen, which is for leaves, your phosphates, which is for roots, not a lot, high amounts of potassium, which is for flowering, potassium, plus it's got sulfur, calcium, magnesium, bit of molybdenum, bit of zinc, and all of those trace elements make sure that we are going to have good flowers. Now, the South African Rosarium uses this, and when we talk about a pelletized, slow-release organic product, geez, that's a mouthful. I mean, come on. Okay, just remember that it's called Atlantic Fruit and Flowers, but it's a pelletized, slow-release organic plant food, and it's great for anything that needs to produce flowers or fruit. So, they say on the packet, 60 grams per plant or per square meter. What's that? Let me put you at ease. A handful is 50 grams, generally speaking. A handful, I generally go with 50 to 60 grams is a handful. That's all you need to put around a plant, okay? Sprinkle it around, never too close to the stem, always a bit further. And remember, you don't do it like this. There's my fertilizer. Okay, it needs to be evenly spread, okay? And why do we say that it's a slow release? And it's quite simple, guys. What I did was I took some of this earlier and we put it into some water, because this is what happens. You put it on the surface, and as you water your plants, so it swells. Now imagine this will then dry because the water goes into the soil, and it's still kept its shape. So this will break down over time, and as it breaks down, you can see, I mean, if I take this now and squish it, here we go. It turns into that, but that's going to happen over weeks. So that's why we talk about the slow release, because these little pellets are going to take a long time to break down, and as they are breaking down, so they are then releasing the nutrients into the soil. So it's not like a wham bang, it's not like a chemical, where a chemical fertilizer where you whack it in and then overload, plant. Okay, so it's a slow release. Because it's organic, what are we doing? We know a couple of things, guys. We know that because it's based on organic base of the composted chicken manure, it's going to improve our soil. It's going to improve our microbial activity. It's going to make our soil more nutritious and give it a better soil structure. It's going to hold water better, which means it's actually going to save you money because you won't have to water so much. And because your plants are strong, because it's got all those trace elements, calcium, the magnesium, the zinc, because it's got the trace elements, your plants are going to be stronger. Like when you're feeling a bit, you take a vitamin. Oh, you're feeling a bit better. Yes. Okay, because it's got the trace elements, what's going to happen is your plants are going to be more resistant to diseases. Seriously, I'm telling you, they'll be more resistant to diseases. So, how do you apply this? As it says on the bag here, right at the back, all your instructions are on here, guys. Read the instructions, please. Just read the instructions. 60 grams, depending on your area, depending on what you're planting, but for fruit trees, roses, king of swings, flowering plants, every 4 to 6 weeks, and away you go.